All right, fam, we got these neck bones that we're gonna be smoking today. Now, we're gonna be smoking these over hickory, and I got some post lump charcoal that we're gonna get the fire started with. We're gonna season these up. We're gonna trim a little bit off of some of these that's hanging, you know what I'm saying, like this right here. Other than that, hey, we're gonna be in the game, get them seasoned, get them on that smoker. We're gonna take them about 275 to smoke them, and then we're gonna braise them, fam, to get them extra tender. Hey, we're gonna be in the game, fam. So after we got everything trimmed up, this is what we're gonna be using today, the sweet preacher, to get all these, you know what I'm saying, well seasoned up. We running 275 degrees, and we'll let these sit out for about 30 minutes, let the seasoning adhere to these neck bones, and then we'll put them on that smoker, baby. Hey fam, that's those red Ferraris right there, because when they hit that plate, hey, they gone. We got that smoker going at 275 degrees. Let's get in the game. All right, fam, that smoker's up to 10. Let's get these Ferraris on this smoker. Fam, we gonna be in the game. All right, fam, take a look at these right here. Hey, what we gonna do is we gonna spritz these. Hey, they've been going for about an hour and a half. They looking absolutely amazing. Check this out right here. Yes, sir. So we gonna flip them. We probably gonna go about another 45 minutes or so, and then we gonna take them out, and we gonna braise these. We gonna get them nice and tender. We'll spritz them one more time. Let these go for about another 30 minutes or so. Like the bigger ones, like this right here, we'll braise that one, and then the smaller ones we'll keep, you know, just as is. And fam, we gonna be in the game. Right, fam, like I said, I'm gonna take some of them and I'm gonna braise them, but you got some that's like small like this that is good out the smoker, and we gonna go ahead and get us a taste test. Cheers, fam. That right there, that's absolutely delicious, fam. Yes, sir. So, fam, what we're gonna do is we're gonna braise some of these, and we're gonna use beef broth. It's gonna give it that flavor. Now, I'm using unsalted beef broth just because I'm watching my sodium, but you can use like the regular if you like, fam. And with a little bit of apple cider vinegar. I just want a little tang. And then I'm gonna hit it with some BBQ sauce. Just a little bit. We'll get everything mixed in. We're going 300 degrees in the oven until these become fork tender. We'll be in the game. You see they about 190, 194 or so, but they real tender. That time you already know we got our little bowl, our little taste test bowl. And we're gonna get one of these neck bones. Yes, sir, with that juice. Yes, sir. And then pour it over there like that. Oh yeah, let me get a little bit of that. Oh yeah. Hey, you really in the game, fam. All right, fam, there you have it. You got your absolutely delicious smoked neck bones. Look at this right here. Hey, you can pull that like that, and they tender. Yes, sir. Hey, hit it with a little bit of that hot sauce in there. Get a little bit of that rice and that juice. Hey, cheers, fam. And that right there, that's absolutely delicious. You know what? I'm being cute with it. I'm just gonna pick that whole neck bone up and take me a bite out of it. Hey, that's good, fam. That's real good. Yes, sir. Now, if you want to get in the game and you like my content, hey, go ahead, smash that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on that bell so you get the notifications as well. Now, for the YouTube algorithm, hey, hit that like button, leave me a comment, and I'll hit you back. Now, for the Focus fam that's been rolling me for a while, you already know what I gotta do. I gotta smash into these smoked neck bones, and we'll see you guys on the next recipe. Peace.